Hello, my name is Mary Decker, Franklin Special District Associate Director of Schools for Teaching and Learning. The state of Tennessee has asked us to ensure every student understands the basics of firearms safety. Today, I'm joined by District Safety Supervisor Selby Glass to talk about how we can all stay safe.
Hi everyone. It is my job to keep you safe at school. And one way you can help me is by practicing the motto, see something, say something. That means if you see something dangerous at your school, you should always tell an adult. To help us learn more about school safety, let's watch a video from McGruff the crime dog.
My name's McGruff, and I'm the crime dog. The other day, my nephew Scruff was on his way to school when one of his friends showed him what was in his backpack. And it wasn't a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, I can tell you that much.
Hey guys, check this out.
Kyle! That's a gun!
I know, Mara. Cool, right?
It is not cool. Not at all.
Kyle, what are you doing with a gun in your backpack?
It's not like I'm gonna use it. I just want to show my friends.
I don't know, Kyle. You can get in trouble if you bring a gun to school.
Dude, big trouble.
It's not even loaded.
How do you know? Do you even know how to find out?
Well, I think it's not loaded.
And someone could get seriously hurt.
Why are you guys being so weird about this?
It's scary, dude. You shouldn't bring a gun to school. We have to tell a teacher.
You guys are gonna tell on me?
We have to, Kyle. I don't want someone to get hurt. I know a lot about gun safety from my Uncle McGruff. This right here, this is exactly what he warned me about. This is how accidents happen. We need to stop, don't touch, get away, and tell an adult.
Come on, let's get out of here.
Kyle put everyone in a really tough situation by bringing a gun to school, and he put them all in danger. But because I talked to Scruff all the time about gun safety, he knew exactly what to do. It's not cool to bring a gun to school, and kids should always tell an adult if they see someone with a gun at school. Remember, if you find a gun, stop, don't touch, get away, tell an adult.
Remember, if you see something, say something. Never bring any weapons or toys that look like weapons to school. You could get in serious trouble, and we want to keep everyone safe. And remember what McGruff says. If you find or see a firearm anywhere, always follow the safety rules. Stop, don't touch, leave the area, and tell an adult. You have the power to keep our schools safe, and we are so proud of you for listening today.